Hi, this is how to change a black nylon rod in a NexGen riser on a stage riser that may have become bent. This one's slightly bent, so we're going to change it. It's just the black plastic rod. This rod is on every riser from a 300mm, 4, 6, 8 up to a metre, all that height of risers, and we're going to quickly swap that out. Takes a few seconds. Okay, so to do that, we're going to undo the location pillar on the top. You'll feel that the aluminium pole becomes loose after doing so. You can remove that. One end's got the thread on. Then we're going to turn the riser upside down, and you'll notice that the black plastic rod has actually got a little collar on top, and you'll need a screwdriver and a hammer to just knock it out of its little black block. Just knocking that out, it comes free. So that's the bent part. We've got a nice straight one here with the little collar on. So that goes back in the hole. You can just push fit that in. Turn the riser back over so it's stood in its upright position again. And then if we take the thread and the non-thread end, the non-thread end goes back over the rod, and just tap it down so that it seats into the black plastic rod. Pop that location pillar back on the thread, and that's how simple it is to change the black nylon rod on a NexGen staging riser.